Hi guys, if you want to see how I get from these dry, awful plaits to these luscious, juicy plaits, then please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is really dry and needs revamping with some moisture, water and everything. I know it's extremely dry, don't worry. These are just old braids that I've done in my hair before that just need retangling and redoing. So I've just sectioned my hair into two parts and now I'm going to take out the old plaits. These are medium-sized plaits. I didn't want to go too small and I didn't want to go too large. I kind of just prefer having them medium as it suits my face much better. So to start off, I'm going to spritz my hair with a bottle of water. You can use any type of water, whether you want to put oils or just plain water. So I'm going ahead using plain water and attaching that to my hair. So with natural hair, I would advise anybody who's going natural to start off by applying water, spritzing any type of water with oils on your hair, and then adding moisture afterwards. Next up, I'm going to use the As I Am leave-in conditioner, which is my first time actually using this conditioner. So it says that it keeps and detangles away, provides a great foundation for natural styling hair. And as I applied it on my hair, it did a fantastic job, and you can even see the curl pattern already. So I'm just going in moisturising that in my hair, going back and forth from top to bottom. So the next product I'm using is the Garnier Ultimate Blends Nourishing Hair Food Banana and Shea Butter 3-in-1 Hair Mask. Now it does say that it's good for dry hair. My hair can get very dry, so this is a great product to use, and I have used it before and it's done great wonders. Again, I'm just going in, stroking that and moisturising my hair from top to bottom. Next, I'm taking a wide tooth comb, which I would advise any natural girl to use. It's very great for detangling and combing your hair. Now I'm going in replaiting my hair. I'm making sure that I'm not tightening it too tight in the roots because that's where you get breakage. So now I'm just going in plaiting my hair. So my hair is 3C and 4A, so it can be quite curly but also kinky as well at the same time. So it is more kinky. So what I would advise anyone if they're going natural, just to make sure that you research what hair type you are and what the best products is to use on your hair. So I'm just going in doing the same on the next section of my hair, just moisturising my hair and then replaiting where I've combed and added the leave-in conditioner. So I've been natural for about 10 years now. I did perm my hair when I was 16, however it broke and I never again would I go back to relaxing my hair. So what I advise anyone, there's so many new things now. You can wear wigs, you can wear weave or anything but camo your natural hair, protective hairstyles. But I advise anyone to do a protective hairstyle, you know, just to make sure your hair doesn't break. So I'm just going and making sure that the plaits are extremely tight, as I don't want to do them too loose so it gets extremely messy, because nobody wants their plaits to get messy in that such a short space of time. So I go in just curling the ends with my fingers just to give it a nice little style, and I think it looks really pretty on me when it's plaited and the ends are curled. So now I've finished doing one side of my hair. I'm now going to go in doing the next section and detangling, adding the same leave-in conditioners I used on this side of my hair. So to give my hair super shine and moisture even more, I go in using the Garnier Ultimate Blends hair oil. Now this has coconut oil and cocoa butter and it's absolutely lovely. Like, the smell is amazing, and it says that it smooths and nourishes dry, frizzy hair. So I go in applying the oil from top to bottom on my hair, just stroking that into the plaits. Now I'm going and using these lovely silver hair accessories. Now you can use these silver little trinket things from any hair shop that you can get, and you can apply it in your hair and it just makes the braids look so nice. So I'm just applying, you know, just a few on my hair. You don't want to use too much, as a little goes a long way. Now I'm just taking 2 small clips just to section my hair, as I'm going to lay and slay my edges. So you can use any toothbrush or any brush to lay your edges, but I'm using this little brush. Once again, you can get it from any hair shop. You can even use a toothbrush, but I'm using this brush as it does really well with my edges and it really slicks them. So I'm just going in stroking and then swirling my hair around my fingers just to give it that little pattern. That looks really nice once you set it. So the gel I'm using to lay my edges is the Styler gel, which I absolutely love. It's got so many good oils in it. That's why it's so good for the hair. So the oils that are in it are olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil and flaxseed oil. And this is really good. You can get all different ones, but this is one of my faves. So once again, I'm just going in on the other side of my hair, just laying my edges. So to set my edges, I'm using this old scarf. I know it's got holes in it, but it's one of my best scarves and I'm not getting rid of it, as it does a great job by setting my edges. So I'm just wrapping it around my hair, just making sure it's tight, not too tight, but enough to set my edges. So I like to leave my edges overnight, but if you're doing it in the day and you want to go out, it's best to leave it for about 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm leaving my edges to set for now for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys the final look. So this is the final look, guys. I've even put in slow motion to see how nice and juicy my hair looks, and my edges are laid. So this is a hairstyle I'll definitely recommend for those who are going natural for the beginner stage. You know, if you want to go out and you still want to keep it natural, it's such a cute look, especially when you add the hair accessories to it as well. It just looks amazing. Oh, and by the way, all products that have been used will be listed below in the description bar. So if you're thinking of buying any of the products that I've used, I'll attach the link also. So this is how my edges look up close. Like, look how nice these look, guys. Like, yes, laying. Like, the edges look amazing. So that is it, guys. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. To my existing subscribers, I love you guys so much and I love you all. Please comment below if you like this video and you want to see more. Thank you. Bye.